Hello students, welcome to Chemist World. Previous class रे ଆମେ ଦେଖିଥିଲେ what is heat capacity. Heat capacity ଆମେ କଣ ଦେଖିଥିଲେ? Heat capacity ଆମେ ପଢିଥିଲେ heat capacity କଣ ଥିଲା? C is equal to dq by dt. The amount of heat required to increase the temperature of the substance. ତା ଥିଲା କଣ heat capacity. ତାପରେ ଆମେ ଦେଖିଥିଲେ heat capacity at constant pressure. At constant pressure, heat capacity कौन थिला Cp. Similarly, at constant volume, heat capacity कौन थिला Cv. then हम बाहर करथिले heat capacity at constant pressure equation. फाइनल हमको कौन मिलथिला Cp is equal to कौन थिला ना dH by dt. The enthalpy change with respect to temperature at constant pressure. The enthalpy change at constant pressure with temperature is the heat capacity at constant pressure. Similarly, Cv कौन थिला ना du by dt. जब हम पढ़ी सारछंती Cv is equal to Cv रो डेरिवेशन भी करछंती Cp रो भी डेरिवेशन करछंती. आज देखिबा what is the relations between Cp and Cv. Relationship between Cp and Cv. Cp और Cv ମଧ୍ୟରେ relation कौन? There are so many relations, but ଆମେ कौन पढ़िबा only one relation. Cp और Cv ମଧ୍ୟରେ relationship between Cp and Cv. Relation between Cp and Cv. We know that Cp is equal to dH by dt. Cv is equal to du by dt. You know this? Then at constant pressure, H is equal to dH. dH is equal to du plus p dt. As we know that this is the enthalpy relation. हम पढ़िथिले in your plus 2 class हम पढ़िथिले कौन थिला ये कोड आसीची use general H is equal to U plus PV. H is equal to U plus PV. चलो the change in देखिया देखा सो DH is equal to DU plus PdV. This is PdV. So DH is equal to du plus PdV. Here P is not differentiated because at a constant P is constant. So dH is equal to du plus P dV. Again, you know, as we know, for one mole of ideal gas, PV is equal to RT. PV is equal to RT. Again differentiate this at constant pressure. Again at constant pressure, what happens? PdV is equal to RdT. RdT. Here R is constant, P is also constant because P constant, P constant. So difference कौन मिलेगा हमको? PdV is equal to RdT. Here dH equal to du plus PdV. This is कौन? PdV equal to RdT. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. Putting the value of PdV from equation 2 in equation 1, then we will get what we will get. First आपको लिखी दियो, then आगू जीवा. देखो. Write this in your notebook, then आगू जीवा. देखो कौन है हमर एठी see here, putting the value of, लिखो right, putting the value of PdV from equation 2 in equation 1, then we get, for example, we have dH is equal to du plus PdV is replaced by R dt, become R dt. So dH is equal to du plus R dt. Okay. Then कौन करिएगा? Differentiate this equation. Again differentiate this. देखो differentiate this with respect to temperature. Differentiate this equation with respect to temperature and keep volume constant. Keep V is equal to constant. If V is equal to constant, then what happens? The total whole over equation रे pressure आगुरी constant थिला, then volume constant हे गला. Then we will get आपली भौजी, then आगू जीवा. देखो DH by dt is equal to dH by dt is equal to dv, sorry, du, this is equal to u, this is u, dH is equal to du plus RT, because ଏଠି du by dt plus R is constant, so dt by dt, this will become 1 R into 1 R. So the final combination go dH by dt, dH by dt is equal to du by dt, du by dt plus R. So here we consider pressure and volume constant. Here we consider pressure and volume constant. So at constant pressure, what is this? At constant pressure, at constant volume, what is this? At constant pressure, this is Cp. What is it? This is Cp is equal to, at constant volume, the internal change through temperature is equal to Cv. That is Cv plus R. This is relation. This is the relation between Cp and Cv. Write this in your notebook. Write this in your notebook. Then आगू ଯିବା। आगू चलो देखिए तापरे। So when you can write this कौन लिखिबारे आको हमें इंग्लिश लिखि परिबा। इंग्लिश लिखि परिबा को ध्यान दे पहले लिखि परिबा कौन हमें ना Cp minus Cv is equal to R. Write also this. This is the relationship between Cp and Cv, or you can say this is the relation, the heat capacity at constant volume and the heat capacity at constant pressure. This is the relation. Then next I will discuss some important properties of heat capacity. Next I will see some important property of heat capacity. Heat capacity ର କେତେଟା important property ଦେଖିବା ଆମେ। कौन property देखिବା चलो। See heading दे दियो, चलो आगको देन लिखो some important property, right? Some important properties of heat capacity. Some important properties of heat capacity. Properties of heat capacity. Heat capacity. So important properties of heat capacity. Number one, first देखिए कौन? First write heat capacity of a liquid. ध्यान, बहुत important. Heat capacity of a liquid. Heat capacity of a liquid heat capacity of a liquid is higher than is higher is higher than is higher than heat capacity of a solid. Heat capacity of of solid. Heat capacity of solid. The heat capacity of a liquid is higher than the heat capacity of a solid. Heat capacity of a solid. Solid. But how? କେମିତି ଜାଣିବା ଆମେ ଲିକ୍ୱିଡର ହିଟ୍ କାପାସିଟି ସଲିଡର ହିଟ୍ କାପାସିଟି ଠାରୁ ଅଧିକ ବହୁତ ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ very important property. See here କଣ ଦେଖିବା ଆମେ heat capacity of a solid higher than the heat capacity of a liquid. ତା ମାନେ ସଲିଡ କୁ ହିଟ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଅଧିକ ହିଟ୍ ଆବଶ୍ୟକ ଦେନ୍ ଲିକ୍ୱିଡ କୁ ହିଟ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଅଧିକ ହିଟ୍ ଆବଶ୍ୟକ ଦେନ୍ ସଲିଡ. ତାମାନେ heat capacity of a liquid is higher than the heat capacity of a solid. ଦେଖିବା suppose ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ପାଣି ଗରମ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ପାଣି ଗରମ କଲେ ବା ରୋଷେଇ କଲେ ଆମେ ଘରେ ରୋଷେଇ ଦେଖିଥିବ ପାଣି ଗରମ ଗୋଟେ କଣ୍ଟେନର ନିଆ ହଉଛି this is container one container this is one container ଏ କଣ୍ଟେନର ଯେତେବେଳେ ପାଣି ଗରମ କରିବା heat apply କରୁଛନ୍ତି heat apply କରୁଛନ୍ତି this is heat फास्ट कौन हुए कंटेनर फास्ट गरम हुए ना पानी फास्ट गरम हो जाए बहुत इंपोर्टेंट डेली लाइफ रे आमे सब देखुचंती एठी कौन हुए फास्ट कंटेनर हीट हो जाए फास्ट कंटेनर गरम हो जाए ना डायरेक्ट वाटर गरम हो जाए हम समस्त जानते फास्ट कौन हुए ना कंटेनर गरम हुए this solid the container is solid तामने फास्ट कौन हुए सॉलिड फास्ट गरम हुए सॉलिड फास्ट कौन हुए सॉलिड फास्ट कौन हुए सॉलिड सॉलिड गरम हुए सॉलिड गरम हेसला परे दिस इज थियोरेटिकल एक्सप्लेन करछंती देखियो सॉलिड गरम हेसला परे देन लिक्विड गरम हुए ता माने लिक्विड गरम हा पई आउरी अधिक हीट आवश्यक जेतिकी हीट दियाला तो किए ग्रहण कर दिए ना सॉलिड ग्रहण कर दिए हीट कैपेसिटी कहले कौन बुझे हीट कैपेसिटी माने केते कैपेसिटी दरकार केते हीट आवश्यक तमन दुई जन लोक अछंती जदि दुई जन को कंपटीशन हैला कौन कंपटीशन मन कर से कहले कि केतेटा अंडा खाई परछे ये गोटे मियान सपोज this is one man this is one man this is another man this is another man अब तो कंपटीशन हुए मन ये अंडा ये मैक्सिमम अंडा 5टा अंडा खाई दिए गोटे घंटा बा 2 घंटा बा 3 घंटा बा गोटे दिन हो देखो अति बेसी रे गोटे दिन रे 5टा अंडा खाई पारे ताले अधिक खाई पारे बड़ ये कौन करे ना ये 10टा अंडा खाई दिए कौन करे 10टा अंडा गोटे दिन रे खाई दिए ताबे हम कौन देखिबा अंडा खाइबार कैपेसिटी टू ईट एग अंडा खाइबार कैपेसिटी अंडा खाइबार कैपेसिटी कहार अधिका ए पर्सन 10टा अंडा खाई सिमिलरली हियर सी हियर इट वाटर को अधिक हीट आवश्यक वाटर गरम हापे जति हीट दिया गला जे कौन ना कंटेनर गरम हो गला सो heat capacity of water or liquid is higher than the heat capacity of a solid. This is very, very important point. Understood? I will note karo. Then I will. This is a theoretical explanation. This is theoretical explanation. And this, then देखिए actually कौन हुए? Theoretically ଆମେ କହିଦେଲେ କଣ ବୁଝେଇଦେଲେ ପାଣି ଗରମ ହେଲା ପାଣି ଗରମ ହେବାକୁ ସମୟ ଲାଗୁଛି କଣ୍ଟେନର ଫାଷ୍ଟ ଗରମ ହୁଏ ଦେନ୍ ପାଣି ଗରମ ହୁଏ ଅଧିକ ହିଟ୍ ଆବଶ୍ୟକ ପାଣିକୁ ତେଣୁ ହିଟ୍ କାପାସିଟି ଅଫ ଲିକ୍ୱିଡ ହାୟର ଦେନ୍ ହିଟ୍ କାପାସିଟି ଅଫ ସଲିଡ heat capacity of a liquid is higher than heat capacity of a solid. But actually कौन हुए in small particles or matter there are different motions. पढ़िଛନ୍ତି there are different motions or different degree of freedom. Degree of freedom I'm पढ़िଛନ୍ତି in our previous class we studied about different degree of freedoms. कौन degree of freedoms? Translational degree of freedom, vibrational degree of freedom, rotational degree of freedom. This is degree of freedom. Let's see here. In case of solid, there is only vibrational degree of freedom. Not a solid. देखो याको लिखिए rigid. Heat capacity of a liquid is higher than the heat capacity of a solid. Reason कौन? What is reason? ये आंसर लिखिए देखिए. What is reason? Reason कौन? Reason कौन? Reason ହେଲା କଣ? In case of solid, in case of solid, there is only vibrational degree of freedom. ନିଜେ ଲେଖିଦେବାକୁ only in case of solid only vibrational degree of freedom contains vibrational degree of freedom. ट्रांसलेशनल हे पारनी कौन सॉलिड जो सॉलिड ए सॉलिड रे वाइब्रेशन होउची माने सॉलिड पार्टिकल मध्ये रे वाइब्रेशन होउची हम देखा जाउनी माने बडा रोटेशन होउनी ए ट्रांसलेशनल होउनी ट्रांसलेशनल मूवमेंट होउची की बेसी बहुत मूवमेंट बहुत वेरी वेरी नेग्लिजिबल बिकॉज़ दे आर क्लोज पैक्ड ड्यू टू क्लोज पैकिंग ड्यू टू मोर फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन स्ट्रांग फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन there is no movement, there is no translational motion, there is only vibration. निज प्लेस रे रहिबी जण भाइब्रेशन करि परिबो जदि एठी अछि भाइब्रेशन करि परिबो भाइब्रेशन हेइ परिबो सेम प्लेस any matter can vibrate, any matter can be vibrate. So in this solid there is only vibrational degree of freedom, but in case of liquid बुझिबो but in case of liquid ये बहुत इंपोर्टेंट बुझिया बहुत इंपोर्टेंट बोली बुझिबे देन देखिबा हबो but in liquid कौन हुए in case of a liquid in case of liquid कौन there are two degree of freedoms that is liquid रे कौन पाइबो ना vibrational पाइबो vibrational degree of freedom vibrational degree of freedom and also translational degree of freedom and also translational degree of freedom and also everybody translational degree of freedom. In case of a liquid, there are two degrees of freedom: vibrational degree of freedom and translational degree of freedom. So, For due to due to this degree of freedoms, there are two degree of freedoms. So heat capacity of a liquid is higher than the heat capacity of a solid because there is only one degree of freedom. Because in solid there is only one degree of freedom, or in case of liquid there are two degree of freedom. So heat capacity of a liquid is higher than the heat capacity of a solid. Heat capacity of a solid. ଲେଖିଦିଅ ଲେଖିଦିଅ ଦେନ ଆଗକୁ ଯିବା ଆମେ ଲେଖିଦିଅ ତାକୁ the next property of heat capacity ଆକୁ ଲିଭଉଛି ଦେନ ଆଗକୁ ଯିବା next property number 2 heat capacity next property କଣ heat capacity next property କଣ next property ହେଲା କଣ heat capacity at constant pressure बहुत important ये बहुत important क्वेश्चन पेपर राशि जो पिले कौन एडी कहले heat capacity at constant pressure is higher than माने cp sorry ये मार्कर सरी जाइए cp समस्त जानिछ ଏବେ लॉकडाउन चालीसी बुस्टर कोडी खोला होची कोडी खोला होनी तेणु मार्कर प्रोब्लेम ठीक अछि so adjust with me I hope you will adjust with me if any doubt then ask me comment me c देखो cp problem cp is greater than ये बहुत ही important cp is greater than cp is greater next property 2 ହେଲା କଣ heat capacity at constant pressure is higher than heat capacity at constant volume बुझी पार्थ्व केमि जानछ ना हम पढिछन्ति कोन ना Cp is equal to Cv plus R या सहित ये समान को हेले एथि कोन कराइछि ना R ऐड कराइछि एक्स्ट्रा R ऐड हेछि तमन from this equation from this relation we can say that from this relation we can say that Cp is greater than Cv Cp is greater than Cv because Cp why because Cp is equal to Cv plus R because R I hope बुझी सारछ म भाबुछ बुझी सारछ heat capacity constant pressure is higher than heat capacity at constant pressure is higher than heat capacity at constant volume एक रीजन है कौन कहला हमें गोटे रीजन कौन कहला हमें cp is equal to cv plus r ये ला गोटे रीजन नंबर 1 जेहेतु this relation cp is equal to cv plus r ACP is greater than CB बोले सब बुझी पारथो then another reason out reason भी अच्छी out reason कौन जो out reason होची कौन when a gas is heated at a constant pressure other reason we will see in part 3 in next part हम देखिबा other reason कौन जेहेतु मार्कर सरी जाइछि बिले then so next class we will discuss about this so in part 3 video you'll see the remaining part. Thank you.